This video will demonstrate how to swap and detach the sides of the iGrow 800 controller. There are two types of sides: the standalone side, which is oval, that snaps into a 2-inch back housing, and there's the integrated side, which is half oval, which surface mounts directly with fasteners to our Link4 contactor panels. Now, to detach the sides, there are two locations on each side in which you would need a small screwdriver. What you would do is you would insert the small screwdriver close to the snap-on location, and then you would carefully begin angling the screwdriver, which will then separate the side from the controller's plastic housing. Note, the tension of these connections are tight, so be careful when prying these locations apart. And then what you want to do is just go ahead and unsnap these sides and then set them aside. You also want to make sure that there are 4 metal threaded inserts so that you can secure this controller if it's in fact an integrated panel application. But for this example, we will be converting an integrated application to a standalone controller. Now that we have removed the sides, we're simply going to go ahead and install the sides for the standalone. When installing sides, there is a designated left and designated right. Make sure that the hole is toward the top of the controller so that your side push buttons line up. Now, when inserting your new sides, you want to start by placing the plastic on the 2 snap locations at an angle, and then gradually straighten until you hear the plastic snap in place. Do the same for the right side, angle it, and then snap it in place. Now that you have achieved this, you want to go ahead and grab the back side of the controller. Now, installing the back side housing, you can bend the corners, they're flexible, until the plastic round hinges are within their hole. So one at a time, insert the plastic into its hinge, gently flex it apart, and it will just pop right in. Now that you've done this, just gently press the side buttons and it snaps right in place. And that's our video in installing and swapping the sides of the iGrow 800 controller.